If you're struggling to scalp the market and get perfect entries and perfect exits, this video is for you. Today, we're gonna talk about the very easy to use Reversal Matrix Oscillator Pro from Trusted Signals that just released today. So if you're a lifetime member, you guys can go ahead and get access to this today. And if you guys are not lifetime members, you guys can go to trustedsignals.com right now. Make sure that you guys choose lifetime membership because right now, you're gonna be able to get the ability to get that for 50% off. And I promise you guys, when you guys see the tools that we're releasing, we have the best plug and play presets. We have people that are making money inside the Discord chat right now. And in fact, I am actually making money. I am up $8,000 in the last 2 weeks on the Henkel X live account. Yes. And I am using some of the tools that I'm about to show you right here. Today, we're going to talk about the Reversal Matrix Pro. This thing is super easy to use. Once you add it to your chart, there are basically just two versions that you need to really know about, advanced and minimal. And if we go ahead and go to minimal, you guys can see here that when we are overbought, keep in mind that we're on 1 hour chart. This thing works for almost every specific chart there is. As you guys can see right here, right? We are oversold down here and then we have a reversal. And then up here, we are overbought and then we have a reversal. And if we look back at the historic past on this specific tool right here, you guys can see right here that when we were overbought, we have a reversal. Okay, we have another overbought right here, we have a reversal. And if we go and actually put this into advanced, I just want to show you one more thing before we actually move forward. Notice that on the advanced version, you can see right here that this also says OB or OS. Okay, this stands for oversold and overbought. If you're familiar with an indicator and the way the oscillators and RSIs work, you're gonna have the ability to know when there's a big momentum of buyers that are about to step in or big momentum of sellers that are about to step in. And keep in mind that this thing works on even lower time frames as well. As you guys can see here, oversold. And keep in mind that we're down here. So now we can enter and we're getting in on a reversal. Oversold, reversal. And there's no other overboughts right here. So if you're ready to take your trading to the next level, go to trustedsignals.com right now because we also have back testable bots with plug and play presets that are gonna give you the ability to start trading using automatedtrader.com. And when I tell you guys, we have the best tools. We show you exactly how to use it. All right, we have some guides, tutorials that are gonna be releasing. And this thing is simply amazing, very easy to use. And right now it's on sale, guys. So go to trustedsignals.com right now for your complete trading solution. And until the next video, guys, I'm out. Peace.